It's time for a morning hike. Getting the Gaia set?
Yes, I am.
Thank you.
Cautious for the critters. I'll call them snakes. It's been through here, but it's all paw prints, not people prints.
Starting to work our way up now. This is the first time Tommy's been on this trail. So it runs, it starts at the Community Nature Ctr. It runs kind of between some of these school buildings. So what do you think of it so far, babe?
Oh, lovely because it's in the boulders. Quite technical.
So we're working our way up and down and all around through these boulders, which is really cool here. It's one of the things we love about hiking in Prescott. You know, those Keens are nice hiking sandals, but every now and then you gotta stop to get the rocks, right?
Right.
We are just continuing to work our way through the boulders, and we're getting ready to go up to a little spur here that takes you to a cool viewpoint of the city. So come up here. Let me turn around so that you can see. So it's just a bunch of boulders and rocks here, and you can climb all around, and just cool area with a beautiful view of the city. You enjoying this one?
Geez, just so you know, we're not in Prescott.
Yeah, because you don't want him to come.
This is our spot. Thank you.
Even this short little hike is full of panoramic views. And then you can see all of that. We're here by the road, but then the trail takes off back into the rocks and the scrub, and it's like you're in a magical area. Here is the obligatory dead tree for our video. And in the distance there, you can see Thumb Butte, aptly named because when you stick out your thumb,
We just completed this loop here. We
went up through the
up
boulders.
here, went to the viewpoint, back, And here we are.
And then we'll work our way back to the parking lot, and then we're gonna head to the Community Nature Center side and do some trails over there. So now we've crossed the parking lot and we're headed over here to this side, which is the Community Nature Center. And there are several trails over here. They've got, I'll show you. So Nature Center trails. So there's the blue, the yellow, and the green. So the yellow is the Quail Loop. That's supposed to be the most difficult, but it's only half a mile. And then you've got the little green Prairie Loop. That's easiest. And then the Javelina is the blue trail. So that goes around the perimeter of it. And that is also considered difficult at 3/4 of a mile. So we're gonna head over, and the fun thing about this is the way the trails all meet and stuff, you can start on one and then move over to another. And so anyway, it's a good spot to hike, especially on a sunny day. So we got an early start this morning so we could beat the heat. It's supposed to be under a heat advisory here. So we got up early and headed out. Just show you some of the entrance. They've got some information there. They have a couple porta potties for use. And then log cabin activity center that they use for the school kids. Because this is here on the school property. And so got some benches for sitting. Hi, dear. And then here's the little cabin that they use. Go in there. And then over here they've got this nature play area. So they put some things up, and they've got the bins for kids to play and explore. And then some little boards and stuff and tires. Somebody put a little kitchen area in. So fun stuff. And having that flyover take place, especially since we are scheduled to go see Top Gun Maverick this afternoon, finally. So had the planes fly over. That happens every now and then. They come from Luke Air Force Base. We were working on the house here. We stayed at a RV resort down by there, and those things would fly all day, every day but the weekends. It was like from 7:30 to sometimes 9:30 at night. They would be flying, and we'd have those sounds all the time. I apologize now for the morning commute traffic, but this trail that we're on, the Blue Javelina Loop, it does run alongside the road a little bit. So we're at one of those intersections where we've been on the blue trail. So now we can go up and do the yellow one and work our way around, or we can just continue on the blue. So Tommy G has decided he's gonna continue on the blue one. And once again, I gotta go catch up. But this makes for a great high intensity interval training when I get behind and I gotta go catch up with him. Okay, so we came to another intersection, And since I was leading, I got a pick, and so we ventured off onto the yellow. Because at this point, the yellow and the blue, while they split off, they run about the same distance. And we're gonna go up and we'll catch the green and then take it down to the end. Another intersection point. Tommy chose to continue on the yellow trail. What, babe? Yeah, this is a great trail, and it's close, so we just love all these big boulders here. And then you get this view over Prescott. So lovely. Look what they put in this year. This is since we've been here. The last time I was here, they put in a sundial. So cool. And so it says, to tell the time, stand on the month with your back to the sun. This is so cool. You come down here in June, is so tiny. Tiny little sliver here. There we go. Ooh, my hips don't lie. So we went 1.5 miles in just over an hour. Yeah, so not quite the distance, but with all the rocks and the boulders and the climbing up and the down, makes for a good trail. What's your rating on it, Tommy G?
I'm pretty sure it's beer 30. Just kidding.